Hi friends, once again you are welcome to my channel Multi Info. Friends, today we will discuss about a poem Dust of Snow, which has two stanzas, and each stanza has 4 lines. And this poem is written by a famous American poet, Robert Frost, who is well known for his realistic depiction of rural life and nature in his poetry. Robert Frost got 4 times Pulitzer Prize for his poetries. So, without any delay, let's start the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. First stanza is The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So, before explaining the stanza, we should know about the background of the poem. Once, poet was going somewhere through a snowy path, and there was a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a symbol of bad luck. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree, and also a crow is a symbol of bad luck. So poet was very regret when he was going somewhere. He was very regret, but what happened? Let's see with these lines. The way a crow shook down on me. When poet was going through a snowy path and under the hemlock tree, a crow came from somewhere and sat on the branches of the tree. When he sat on the branches of tree, some dust of snow, means dust stands for particles. Some particles of snow from a hemlock tree falls on the poets. After falling some particles of the snow on poets, his bad mood became good mood. As we have earlier said that poet was regret, but when some particles falls on the poet, his mood was totally changed. Next stanza is has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of the day. I had rude. I had rude stand for regret. Rude means regret. Poet was very regret. If some particles of the snow do not falls on the poet, his whole day was full of sadness. But when falls some particles of the snow on the poets, his mood was totally changed. And we see in this stanza, has given my heart, means the particles of the snow changed the mood and saved some part of the day, means now his remains times of the day became happy. Before it he was very sad or regret, but now poet became very happy. Why he became very happy? Because some natural events that is mentioned in this poem, crow falls some particles of the snow on the poet, so his mood became changed from bad to good. After this poem, we see some literary devices that is used in this poem. First literary device is used as enjambment. What is enjambment? Let's see. Especially in words, the continuation of a sentence without a pause beyond the end of a line, couplet or stanza. Friends, In this poem, we see that there is no pause or commas. The way a crow, it is first line, and between the last line. Of a day I had rude. There is no commas or no full stop. So this types of poetry is called as enjambment. And now we will discuss about the rhyme scheme of the poem. Crow rhyme scheme rhymes with snow, and me rhymes with tree. So AB AB, and the next stanza means second stanza. Heart rhymes with part, and mood rhymes with rude. So we can say it CD CD, means first lines rhymes with third and second line rhymes with fourth. Next literary device is used as irony. Irony means opposite results. Let's see a short definition of irony. A situation in which something which has intended to have a particular result but has the opposite or a very different result. In this poem, poet was very regret, but after some events that was occurred by the hemlock and crow, his mood was totally changed from bad to good. So it is irony. Next literary device is used as alliteration. What is alliteration? The use of the same letter or sound at the beginning of the words that are close together. For example, has given my heart and saved some part. Here, has H, heart H, and saved S and some S. It is alliteration because has stand had first letter begins with H and heart's first letter begins with H. So it is repetition of same consonant sound H, and second line is S and S. Saved some. Next, assonance. Assonance takes place when two or more words close to one another repeat the same vowel sound. It means repetition of same vowel sound but start with different consonant sound. Here, swoop down on me. Here we see O. In swoop word we see O, and in downward we see O. It is vowel sound O. So it is known as assonance. Means repetition of vowel sound but start with different consonant. And we will talk about symbols that is used in this poem. Crow and hemlock. Crow, in Hindu's mythology, crow is symbol of bad luck, and hemlock tree is a poisonous tree, so it is symbol of bad luck. So in this poem it is considered as negative symbol. And snow is symbol of joy. And the last point of this poem is we will talk about theme. The theme of this poem is negative becomes easily changed due to the natural events. Friends, in this poem, as I talked about earlier, the poet was very regret, but after few times when some particles falls on the poet, his minds become changed. So it is the theme. Means mood of any person can be changed by some occurrence that is done by nature. So friends, if this explanation is helpful to you, so please like, share and subscribe.